Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zach. Here we talk about overlanding and tech. Today's video is going to be a really short one. All we're going to be doing is swapping out the lights in this back tail light here. I've been wanting to swap out my rear tail lights just because the rear backup light isn't very bright, so that's not great in the dark. And my signals are not very bright, and they're definitely a different color than my front signals. So I just wanted everything to match the rest of my LASFIT headlight bulb. This is a fairly affordable upgrade, so this isn't going to be anything crazy compared to, say, a headlight replacement. These light bulbs, relatively speaking, are pretty inexpensive. So if you want to grab any of these, I've got a discount code down below in the description. But let's get right into swapping these out, and I'll show you how to put in the new bulbs.
Hey everyone, so we're going to install these bulbs, and this is going to be a really quick install. So basically all you have to do is you have to remove plastic panels that are on the back of the 4Runner. So there's one on each side. And then if you look inside of here, this lower bulb right here is for your reverse light. This bulb is for the red rear tail light. And then right up there, that is your signal light. Okay. Now I believe that both of these light bulbs are directional. And so you need to make sure that you plug these in correctly. And if you look at the bulbs, I can't really tell if there's anything in particular that shows the directionality of them, but I don't think it harms them in any way to plug them in and then test it again if it doesn't work. But what I would recommend is remove the plugs, plug in your light bulbs, and then test the light bulbs to make sure that they work, and then push them back in, because especially this one up here, the wire is pretty short, and so it's going to be kind of difficult if you want to actually swap that light bulb out, put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out. It's kind of difficult to get it in there, so test the light bulb out before you press it back in.
So just to give a perspective of what the stock versus the LASFIT bulbs look like, on the left is going to be the signal and the rear light, and then on the right is the LASFIT ones. I think that the signal is much brighter, and you can tell even that they aren't slightly in sync, but that won't matter if you have the same bulbs on both sides. And then again, the rear light is also much brighter. So just like that, the light bulbs are replaced, and I think they look really good. They're really bright, and that's exactly what I was going for. So thank you so much for watching, and if you do want to grab those bulbs, the link will be in the description down below. If you like this sort of content, or you like what I'm doing, please consider subscribing to the channel, and like this video if it brought you any sort of value. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.